My oldest is Nicholas, he's 18. And then I have Jonas, who's 10, and Grayson, who's 8. All boys. It's very difficult to parent a teen. I know it. Even though I work with teens, I know that personally it's really difficult. So there were some challenges with conflict and communication, and then just not really truly sure of what I should be doing differently to make things better. So my other kids were kind of on eggshells with me when I was communicating or trying to communicate with my teenager. And, again, there were things that I was doing that I wasn't proud of. And everyone just kind of was on pins and needles. And my husband was, he was just kind of lead the room. But now there's a different dynamic. It's like there's a weight lifted off our shoulders because we don't have to have the conflict. We still don't agree with everything. And there's a lot of work to still do. But the way that our whole family operates is just much more positive. It's a different dynamic altogether. It's been fantastic since I've done that course. I just feel like a new parent with my team. The way that Dr. Cam will help you personally is unbelievable. I mean, the differences that she can make in your personal life as a parent and help you build that confidence that you need to do better and show up to your family and your team better is amazing. I've never seen anyone like it before. I've worked with a lot of people, and I'm telling you, Dr. Cam is the person who will change the entire dynamic of your family while giving you the tools to feel confident to do it. But it's easy to follow. It just makes sense. It's the best group that I've ever been a part of in a learning experience like this. I feel so safe, but I also can be very vulnerable and also kind of have a little bit of fun while we're doing it. It's fantastic. You will not be disappointed at all. You will absolutely love this program because it's very personalized and it's truly effective, and you will absolutely love her. You'll love being in this program, and you'll just want more and more after you're done.